Dharini, interrupting you there for just a moment. We have more breaking updates coming in on what happened in the meeting. The meeting of Vijay with the governor. We have details, inside details of what happened only on Times Now. Vijay is said to have requested the governor to allow him to form the government, informing the governor that they have the numbers. Now, Vijay is said to have told the governor that they do indeed have the numbers, and yet again submitting a detailed report to the governor. Shomit is getting us these inside details of the meeting. So, Shomit, has Vijay been able to convince the governor? This is the third time he's meeting him. What has changed from his previous meeting to now?
Well, yes, Pratibha, this is the third time TVK leaders Vijay's second time and third time TVK is meeting the governor. And yesterday, once Vijay has met and later for the second time Bassi has met, and that now Vijay is meeting. And we have the big inside details where, actually Vijay has submitted a detailed report again to the governor. So yesterday he has submitted a detailed report. Later we have accessed the pictures as well. Our colleague Dharini has accessed the pictures from the inside the governor's office. And now again a detailed report has been submitted to the governor by Vijay, and Vijay has included all the details about the alliance as of now, and at the same time about the numbers. And he has requested the governor again in similar lines. Yesterday Bassi has requested the governor to reconsider his stake on the TVK, and now again Vijay has requested the governor. He had tried to convince the governor to give him the opportunity and the chance and invite him to form the government. And his TVK is very much confident in having the numbers. They do have the numbers with them, and they will prove on the floor test is what Vijay has informed to the governor again. So we'll have to wait and see how governor will respond. Governor will respond shortly is what we are given to understand. But as of now, a detailed report has been submitted by the Vijay along with his team, TVK leaders, and also his team is accompanying him is what as of now we are given to understand. And at the same time, governor will be responding shortly, and Vijay will be leaving from the governor office, and after governor responds, then Vijay will be taking the next call is what as of now we are given to understand. Pratibha, back to you.
Okay, so this is a huge development, Shomit, because this actually means that Vijay can become the chief minister. If the governor is convinced, he can invite Vijay to form the government in Tamil Nadu, because Vijay is confident. He said to have told the governor the information that you brought for us, that we have the numbers. So, Shomit, for now, after a lot of uncertainty that we've seen over the last few hours, it looks like we're all set to see the next chief minister of Tamil Nadu. The decks are cleared for Vijay to be the chief minister?
See, it is not yet clear. The path is not clear for the Vijay to become the chief minister, because there is this, huge hurdle for him, and that is the Lok Bhavan. And Raj Bhavan, the Lok Bhavan is not convinced at all with the, Vijay TVK's meeting since the day before yesterday. Not just yesterday, but day before yesterday. Initially, when first letter was submitted, Vijay, by the Vijay's team, governor was not, satisfied and stated that everything, all the details should be submitted to the Lok Bhavan. And yesterday, for the first time when Vijay met and has submitted a detailed report, at that time also, letter of approval from the Congress party was asked by the governor. And Bassi, along with the legal team, started running from the Lok Bhavan and went to the Congress office and took the authorized signatory from the, Congress party and submitted a detailed, stating that Congress is extending the, support to the alliance support to the TVK, and that detailed report also, that detailed letter was submitted to the governor, letter of approval from the Congress party. So later, after that, again, governor was not convinced. He stated that still you don't have the number, and you're having by tonight. So yesterday evening, governor stated that, but you have by tonight to prove the numbers, and I'm very positively will be responding to you, and I'll be giving each and every time the appointment whenever you seek. This is what the governor's team has informed to the TVK's Vijay's team, and immediately today morning, Vijay's team has approached the governor's team and stated that Vijay wanted to meet the governor, and immediately the governor, without even thinking, saying a word, has again given the appointment to the Vijay, and Vijay is right now meeting the governor. So as of now, he has submitted a detailed report again for the third time. So first time it was the report, second time it was the letter, and third time it is the report again. So how will governor respond now? What are the details of the detailed report? We will be accessing it shortly from now, and what exactly Vijay has stated in the report report, whether he has added any other political party, whether he has added any other numbers apart from the Congress and the TVK has the numbers. So what exactly the details of the report we will be getting to know shortly. But Vijay has requested that TVK is very much confident when it comes to the forming the Tamil Nadu government, and the governor should immediately invite him to form the government, to invite to the governor office. And